Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss difference between few and a few. Few means not many people or things. It is used to say that there are not a lot of people or things. It is used to say that there are a small number of people or things. A few people arrived early means some people arrived early. Few people arrived early means not very many people arrived early. Look at this example. A few of the students forgot to bring their books to class. It means a small number of students forgot to bring their books to class. Here we have used few. Few of the students forgot to bring their books to class means not a lot of students forgot. Many of them remembered. One more example. Most of his poems are boring, but there are a few that I like. It means I like a small number of poems. Most of his books are boring. There are few that I like. Here we have used few. It means there are not many that I like. The difference in meaning is subtle, but usually few puts a little more attention on the negative, that there is not a large number of people or things. A few puts a little more attention on the positive, that there is a small number of things or people. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.